After the mouse I proceed on learning to add video. And found I need adjust workspace, then can start adding video to 3D object. This is a combine tips. When show a plus sign you can drag down the workspace. Choose shader editor. This is to show you can also split sideway of workspace into half. I choose UV as I need to learn map texture, which I just learn unwrap. As I import my Windows 3D Builder object, it cannot load texture. The only way is to manually add texture, which need to learn. Back to my idea of waterfall wall dining table. Drag and drop the video into shader panel. Hook up color to base color. Change viewport solid color to material. Then tick use node, image of video will appear. Also tick auto refresh and cyclic. As you can see, clicking play button in playback panel show the video playing. First video 3D object done. My ideal is a video wallpaper next to my dining table set, which is next.